Another significant participant in the programmatic advertising ecosystem is the Dynamic Creative Optimization platform. Big e-commerce websites typically use this platform to generate thousands or even millions of unique, relevant ad creatives in no time. Dynamic creatives are adverts that automatically change to adapt their content specifically to each user, ensuring that each user is exposed to the most effective creative for them. For many advertisers, running dynamic advertising campaigns is the only way to personalize messaging at scale. Even though most of the creative management platforms allow the production of dynamic creatives, there are also several standalone dynamic creative optimization platforms available in the market. In this lesson, I will cover dynamic creative optimization in greater detail, whether this feature is offered by a creative management platform or standalone platform. Dynamic ads are used by e-commerce businesses that have a very large inventory of products or services. To take an example, an online betting company allows betting on more than 40,000 monthly sporting events. In this case, a dynamic advertising campaign can efficiently serve personalized adverts to people who are looking to bet on specific sporting events. Dynamic creatives can be optimized for remarketing and prospecting purposes. Remarketing is the practice of showing ads to people who have previously interacted with a certain website, mobile app, or brand, but didn't complete a desired action such as buying a product or service. When the goal is to run dynamic remarketing ads, advertisers must work on three main components: the feed, creative design, and tracking. A feed is pretty much a database of products or services an advertiser plans to promote with dynamic ads. The feed contains details about each product or service like price, image URL, and landing page URL. Once the feed is uploaded to the platform, the advertiser could then pull product or service details from the feed into the dynamic ad. Lastly, for the creative to be relevant to each user, the advertiser should add a tracking code on their website that tracks the products users interacted or engaged with. Based on this data, the Dynamic Creative Optimization platform will show the most relevant ad content to people who previously visited that website. Prospecting is the practice of showing ads to audiences that haven't interacted with the advertised brand yet but are likely to convert. Some dynamic creative optimization platforms can connect with DMPs, so that advertisers could use third-party data to bid on relevant audience segments. In those cases, the dynamic creative optimization platform typically uses machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies to identify the most optimal users, and then deliver personalized ads to them. Now let's see in greater detail what are the benefits of running dynamic ad campaigns. The most significant benefit for advertisers is that dynamic ads use sophisticated technology that requires minimal manual input to develop thousands or millions of unique and nicely designed creatives, which are also relevant to each user. Those creatives can be generated automatically for multiple devices, ad formats, and sizes. Also, dynamic creative optimization eliminates the risk of generating creatives that look spammy or offer zero value to target audiences. One might think that creating dynamic ads can take a tremendous amount of effort and time. The truth is that dynamic creative optimization platforms make the process extremely easy. Preparing the ground for launching dynamic ads might take just a few days for some advertisers, mostly to prepare a feed with the products or services they would like to advertise dynamically. Once a dynamic ad campaign is launched, thousands or millions of products or services could be promoted, without the need for manually building a new campaign for each product. Therefore, dynamic ads decrease creative production costs and time. Dynamic ads can also be optimized through A/B and multivariate testing. More specifically, dynamic creative optimization platforms allow advertisers to create different versions of their creative sets to see which ones generate a better return on investment. Lastly, since dynamic ads deliver a personalized experience at scale, they are proven to increase engagement levels, conversion rates, loyalty, and of course return on investment. There are two ways programmatic advertisers could add dynamic ad creatives to their DSP. The first and most efficient way is through direct publishing. For this to happen, advertisers need to establish a direct connection between their dynamic creative optimization platform and their demand-side platform. Once those two platforms are connected, advertisers could then publish creatives directly to their DSP, through the user interface of their DCO. For this to work, you should first check if your DCO can connect directly with your current DSP. If your chosen DCO cannot connect directly with your DSP, you will have to copy the creative ad tags from the DCO, and paste them into relevant campaigns on your DSP. An ad tag is simply a code that retrieves the ad creative from the DCO. The cost of using a dynamic creative optimization platform may depend on many factors, such as the number of team members involved in this project, the number of ad creatives, the number of delivered impressions per month, the type of customer support you would like to receive, the custom integrations you may need, and of course, your negotiation skills. Typically, dynamic creative optimization vendors charge a monthly subscription fee, plus a CPM for delivered impressions. A medium-sized brand delivering millions of impressions per month could be paying around $3,000 per month. Some popular DCO vendors are the Bannerflow, Sizmek by Amazon, Adicato, Criteo, Grooving Ads, Keltra, Adzymic, and Thunder. Now, if you want to get trained on the most popular DCOs, I have attached some useful links in the resources section of this lesson.